Welcome to another class, Evolution of Life. Evidence of evolution, as I previously told something regarding the evidence of evolution, and today we discuss more about that part. Evolution is all the changes that have occurred in living things since life began. Okay, the Earth is 4.5 billion years old, and prokaryotes evolved 3.5 billion years ago, and it is very important. And eukaryotic cell arose 2.1 billion years ago, but there was no multicellularity until 700 million years ago. And the evolution encompasses common descent and adaptation to the environment. Okay, due to common descent, all living things share common characteristics because all human beings are they have same structure like that, made of cells and genetics. Take chemicals and energy from the environment, respond to external stimuli, reproduce and evolve. This was the common feature that we have, all human beings have. Many fields of biology give evidence that evolution has occurred. Okay, it is the main line. Fossil of evidence. What are the main evidence of evolution? We came across the fossils. Okay, the fossils are nothing but it is the remnants of past life. Okay, usually consisting of hard parts such as shells, bones, or teeth. Most fossils are found embedded in the sedimentary rock. Okay, sedimentation is nothing but causes a rock formation as particles accumulate in a layers, and in given stratum is older than the one above it. Okay, younger than those below. Okay, here is nothing but we know, you know that fossil is nothing but it is a remnants of past life. Okay, paleontologist nothing but it is a study of fossils. Okay, the biologists who study fossils are called paleontologists. Certain fossils serve as transitional links between groups. Okay, for example, by missing links and connecting links, there are some links are there in upcoming class as I will discuss. Such fossils allow paleontologists to deduce the sequence in which certain groups evolved. Fish evolved before amphibians. Okay, fish, amphibians, terrestrial animals. Okay, there are some links. Okay, which came before reptiles, which evolved before both birds and mammals. Transitional fossils. Okay, what are the what are the transitional fossils means? Okay, reptiles is having a wing, feet, tail, head. Okay, winged, but main is transition. Okay, reptiles. Okay, and the dinosaurs are coming from birds. Okay, some assumption. Geological timescale, nothing but studying of strata across the earth. Scientists have divided Earth's history into eras, periods, and epochs. There are two ways to date fossils: relative dating, absolute dating. Okay, and another one type is carbon dating. Relative dating is nothing but provides an approximate age based on position of the fossil within a rock strata. Okay, relative dating, approximate age we can calculate. Absolute dating is nothing but it is a radioactive isotopes to measure the amount of radiation left in a fossil, yielding an actual age. This is a carbon dating, as I told, carbon dating mainly. Carbon 14, as I previously told, 14 isotope, the only radioactive isotope in organic matter, that is a carbon isotope. This chemical is very important. Amount of radioactivity remaining in fossil can be compared with that of a modern sample to determine the age of fossil. Okay, mainly on the principle of half-life. Okay, half-life of radioactive isotopes is the length of time it takes for half of radioactive isotopes to change into another stable element. Mass extinction. What do you know mass extinction? Nothing but the death of a large number of species. Okay, during a mass extinction, a large percentage of species become extinct within a relatively short period of time. For example, the extinction of dinosaurs, extinction of species, plant species. Mass extinction occurred at the ends of Ordovician, Devonian, Permian, Triassic, and Cretaceous periods. Okay, these are the period. In next class, there are some time scale. We study some main focus on that. Cretaceous mass extinction, okay, that led to the demise of dinosaur was likely caused by a meteorite hitting the earth. But reason of extinction of dinosaur we didn't know, but in some scientists they told that hitting of meteorite to the earth. And in presently the scientists told that this was the nothing but the dinosaur died due to some respiratory problems like coronas. In Cretaceous period is very important, and this was the dinosaur. Okay, Jurassic Park. You can see Jurassic Park ultimate film.